Welcome to Sea Hills Resort Havelock, the most beautiful and aesthetic place to stay on your vacation to the Andamans. Located amidst the pristine Evergreen Forest, Sea Hills Resort Havelock offers some of the best views with luxury in the Andamans. Once you arrive at the Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair, you will have to take a cab to HavelockTravel, which is approximately 5 kilometers away, and then take a 1.5-hour ferry to Havelock Island. On reaching the Havelock jetty, the resort is just at a distance of 4.5 kilometers. After you've checked in, you can enjoy a delicious meal at the in-house multi-cuisine restaurant, relax and rejuvenate by the pool, or visit Radha Nagar Beach. The resort has some of the most huge and luxurious rooms and one of the only places where you can wake up to the beauty of the forest from your private balcony and a view that's uniquely yours. As being the only resort located on a hill, it offers a refreshing escape with continuous flow of cool, crisp air, creating an oasis of comfort and tranquility that even get better as the sun goes down. Add Sea Hills Resort Havelock to your bucket list for your vacation in the Andamans.